Hey everybody, that's all the birdseed I have left. I had a delivery today and they didn't deliver the birdseed. And what the hell is that in the water right there? Is it a dead thing or a branch? What the hell is it? It looks like some kind of creature. Y'all know what that is because it looks fleshy. Or is it just like debris? I don't know. If y'all have any clue, I'm not touching it. But look. Here are all my friends, and that's all I have for birdseed. They're going to be thoroughly disappointed. And I don't want to ask my boyfriend to bring some home because he gets home late at night, and, I don't want him to have to stop at the store. This is all I have, you guys. I'm disappointed it didn't come in my delivery. I mean, I didn't pay for it, but I'm pretty sure I ordered it. And I didn't get it. Okay, and that's all we have. Oh man, I don't know what the heck that is. I don't know if those are teeth. They're weird looking teeth. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's creepy, that's what it is. Anyway guys, I don't know what I'm going to do. I can't get you any more birdseed. I can't go to the store. So, maybe I have some frozen peas. Certainly have canned peas. Somebody told me frozen peas, but I don't know. I'll look it up. Dang, don't look. I don't have enough. Oh, they're going to turn on me. The birds. It is 80 some odd degrees out here. It is gorgeous. So I put my shorts on. And I'm going to soak up some vitamin D. I had canceled my dentist appointment for next month. Just in case, because they charge you if you wait too long. So, just to be on the safe side, I canceled it and I told them, they said, well, call us when you get better. And I was like, I will. So, oh my God, it's gorgeous out here. It's too early for beer, but I might have to go back up to the house and grab a beer. Just chill out. Beer sounds good. I mean, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's not like I'll have 10 of them. Probably just one. Where are you going? Oh, the food's gone, so y'all just going to run. Is that what's going to happen? It looks like some kind of animal, I swear to God. But my eyes aren't. See it? Floating over there? Something dead. Ew. Want to go for a swim? That's just gross. I don't know what it is. Curiosity's killing me. It's just a weird looking log. No animal I've ever seen before. I mean, part of it looks like it has some kind of flipper. The ducks are swimming over near it. Don't go over there. I don't know what it is. My eyes deceive me sometimes. Yesterday there was something floating over there. And I thought it was a critter, but it was a piece of wood. Come some more. Guys, kitchen closed. Some kind of weird fish? I don't know. Anyway, hope everyone's having a lovely Thursday. And like I said, I'm disappointed. few of my items I'm almost positive I ordered did not get delivered. Oh, and like I said, they're not showing up on my receipt, so I didn't pay for them. So there's that. And maybe I'll try to do another order later and see if I can get the birdseed. I miss going to Distilla, get my own stuff. But I will do what is needed to protect other people from getting this bullshit. I wish other people felt the same. But I can only control me. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Crazy Duck Lady out. Peace.